So this cast shadow that I'm doing, this is a cast shadow that I'm doing here, and as it gets closer to the bottom of the object, it's going to be black. And as it moves away from the bottom of the object, it's going to start lightening up, because that means that there's light that's starting to enter that surface. So the further away that it is from the occlusion, excuse me, the lighter the shadows become. And that's something that you want to kind of keep in mind throughout an entire piece. Like, you don't want to have any flat tones, because light is linear, right? Which means that because light is linear, there is a direction to it, which means that there's never going to be one single point in any object that has the same amount of lighting. And the way that you translate that into doing art is that you have to work in gradient.